Off Lecture. Learn beyond class.
The rhythm of numbers. Hello everyone, welcome to the Number Symphony, where mathematics meets music. Today we discover the rhythm hidden inside numbers. We will explore numbers that end perfectly, numbers that repeat in a loop, and numbers that play a wild solo forever. Every number plays its own unique note. Let's listen. Two kinds of melodies. Imagine two scenes. Someone sharing cookies equally, easy, predictable, perfectly done. And someone measuring a curved spiral shell, mysterious and never quite finished. Some things share perfectly, others simply don't. This is the story of rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers, the perfect beat. Rational numbers are the neat musicians of maths. They are terminating. Decimals end cleanly. They are repeating. The pattern loops perfectly. They are predictable. We always know the exact value. And they are clean. No messy leftovers. A perfect ratio of equal parts every time. Writing the rhythm. Every rational number can be written as a fraction, p divided by q. The top, p, is any whole integer. The bottom, q, is any integer, but never zero. The rule, a ratio of two integers. The magic, dividing p by q gives the decimal. Any number written as a fraction is rational. Irrational numbers, the wild solo. Meet the wild musicians, irrational numbers. Non-terminating, the decimals never stop. Non-repeating, the pattern never loops. Unpredictable, no fraction can capture them. And infinite, a solo that plays on forever without end. A chaotic pattern that never repeats. Meet the star of the show, the most famous number in mathematics, pi. The name, pi, the Greek symbol. The ratio, circumference divided by diameter of any circle. The value, 3.14159, going on into infinity. The truth, pi cannot be written as p over q. It is the most famous endless dancer in all of mathematics. The stage of real numbers. Real numbers is a grand stage holding all performers. On one side is the rational family, all integers and fractions. On the other are the irrational wild ones. The golden stage, real numbers, holds everything together. Every number has its own home, and every single number belongs here. Music in the real world. Math is hiding everywhere. Recipes use exact fractions, rational. Arches and architecture involve infinite geometry, irrational. Planetary orbits use pi, irrational. Money uses clean terminating decimals, rational. You are surrounded by this number symphony every single day without even realizing it. Don't miss a beat. Watch out for tricky notes. Wrong. All decimals are irrational. Truth. Terminating decimals are rational. Wrong. Repeating decimals are wild. Truth. Repeating means rational. Wrong. Any square root is irrational. Truth. Perfect squares like root 4 are rational. Wrong. Fractions can have 0 on the bottom. Truth. Never divide by 0. Rational or not? Test your pattern recognition skills. 1/2, rational, a clean fraction. 0.333 repeating, rational, it has a repeating pattern. Pi, irrational, never ends and never repeats. Root 2, irrational, not a perfect square. How many did you identify correctly? Excellent work reading the musical beats. Filling the gaps. 3 deep thinking questions. First, find a number between 1/2 and 3/4. Hint, use common denominators. Second, is an integer a fraction? Hint, put it over 1. Third, are there empty spaces on the number line? Hint, irrationals fill every gap. Between any two notes, infinite sounds are waiting. The final performance. Show me the music you have learned. What kind of decimal is 0.25? Terminating, rational. Why is 0.777 repeating rational? Because it repeats a pattern. Is root 3 rational or irrational? Irrational. And what set holds all these numbers? Real numbers. Answers: terminating, repeating pattern, irrational, real numbers. The sheet music of math. Every number builds the grand symphony. Rational Q. Ends or repeats perfectly, a predictable, clean vibe. Irrational 1. Never ends or repeats, a wild, unique vibe. Real numbers R. Holds everything together, the complete mathematical universe. Every single number has its place in this magnificent symphony of mathematics. The endless melody. Here we stand at the shore of an infinite ocean. Some numbers end cleanly, some go on forever, but all have a place. Rational gives us steady rhythm. Irrational gives us endless mystery. Real numbers gives us the complete song. The music never really stops playing. Keep exploring, keep listening to the beautiful rhythm.